Want to customize your Android or fix boot issues? Flashing your phone lets you install custom ROMs, upgrade or downgrade the OS, and unlock new features. In this video, we'll show you the best Android flashing tools to help you get started. Number 1. Android Repair. Best Android flashing software. Today, we shall let you know the best Android phone flashing software, Android Repair, as one of the few tools on the market that can provide comprehensive repair services for Android errors. Step 1. Download Android Repair. Before installing and launching it on your computer, from the main interface, click the System Repair button and connect the device to this computer via USB. Step 2. Tap Android Repair from the upcoming screen and press Start. Step 3. When you're required to choose device information, choose the specific details and tap the Next button. Step 4. Fill in the blank with 00000 and click Confirm. Step 5. Boot your Android phone in download mode as follows. For phones or tablets with the Home button, switch off your device and hold down the volume down, power, and home key simultaneously for 5-10 seconds. Let go of all buttons and hit volume up. For phones or tablets without a home button, power it off and hold the volume down, Bixby, and power keys for 5-10 seconds. Then release them and press volume up. Step 6. Click the Next button to let the utility download the appropriate firmware automatically. Step 7. After the download, this utility will start to flash your Android phone at once. Number 2. System Repair for Android. System Repair for Android, developed by Tarfos, is a free software solution designed to diagnose and resolve a wide range of Android OS issues. As a leading flashing tool, it allows users to scan their devices and implement fixes efficiently, often in just minutes. Number 3. SP Flash Tool. SP Flash Tool, termed Smartphone Flash Tool, is software used to flash Android phones by installing custom ROMs. It is also a great program for upgrading device firmware. Available on Windows and Linux OS, it only supports FOMA-TAK-based Android devices. Number 4. Cyber Flashing. Cyber flashing, having the same name as another photo sharing tool, gives you the power to flash your Android phone with just a single click. As one of the best flash tools for Android, it offers you automated and full flashing with one-click Windows software. Number 5. Flashing Utility. With the most reliable app for flashing Android phones, anyone can update their device's firmware in just a few simple steps. This tool is compatible with all Android devices AOSP. Number 6. Kingo. Have you ever rooted your device with Kingo? Beyond that, this phone flashing software for Mac or Windows also lets you flash Android phones, streamline and get rid of bloatware, and boost battery life. Number 7. Android Repair Master. Being a fast and reliable flashing software for Android phones, Android Repair Master is dedicated to checking and repairing system errors, settling startup issues, and removing system slowdowns. It is one of the most potent Android emulators. Number 8. Odin Flashing Tool. Dedicated exclusively to flashing Samsung phones and tablets, Odin Flashing Tool is a professional-grade solution for Samsung system repair. Renowned as one of the best Android flashing tools, it supports AOSP custom ROMs, custom recoveries like TERP. Number 9. Phone Doctor Plus. Phone Doctor Plus for PC allows you to have a panic search for a non-repair shop solution. This application can be used to flash Android phones by examining your smartphone for errors and delivering dozens of diagnostics to help find invisible smartphone issues. Number 10. MTK Flash Tool. MTK Flash Tool, commonly referred to as SP Flash Tool, Smartphone Flash Tool, is a powerful utility developed specifically for Android devices that run on MediaTek MTK chipsets. It allows users to flash stock firmware, custom ROMs, recovery images. Number 11. MTK Droid Root and Tools. MTK Droid Root and Tools is a powerful Windows-based utility designed Specifically for Android devices running MediaTek MTK chipsets, it complements tools like SB Flash Tool by offering additional features, like rooting, backing up ROMs,